Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2019 Can-Am RYKER 900 Rally with 9,580 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a Can-Am windshield, Can-Am handguards, passenger seat, passenger backrest, passenger foot pegs, smoked integrated rear turn signals, an aftermarket exhaust, auxiliary LED lighting, and a tank pad. The RYKER is dynamic and versatile, offering a unique riding experience on the stability of 3 wheels and standing out from almost anything else on the road. Powered by an 899cc 3-cylinder engine, the RYKER puts 82 horsepower and 79 foot-pounds of torque through a CVT transmission. It weighs in at 616 pounds and has a 23.5-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.